So you're curious about this XMARI guitar. What is it? What does it do? Why is it doing what it's doing? Let's start out as a traditional electric guitar. It's got passive ceramic pickups in it, humbucker single, 5-way switch. It's got 2 tones, just like a traditional guitar. And here's the volume knob. What makes this guitar very special? This guitar comes from Enya Music, which are known for having onboard DSP, onboard speakers, like their guitars, the Novago Sonic, the Inspire. What this XMARI is it's more of a traditional stripped down version that does have the DSP on board, but no internal speaker. So you can just play this as a traditional guitar, or you can introduce the Enya amp modeling and effects into the signal, and you do that just by pressing this button down. The light went green. Now you have the DSP activated. You basically just turn an amplifier preamp and effects on inside of the guitar. How can I hear this, you may be wondering? It has 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch headphone, and USB-C. So you could plug your headphones in, you can run 1/4 inch to a clean amplifier, or this acts as an audio interface if you plug it to your phone or computer via USB-C. This particular version that Enya sent me came with this little amplifier. So first let's plug into this little amplifier, see what it sounds like. Boom. If you buy one of these guitars, they may not all come with the amplifier. I think they have a separate package, you know, that will specify that the amplifier's in there. I just happen to get one that's got the amplifier. It's got gain, volume, and tone. Well, we're gonna want this thing to be as clean as possible. All of the distortion and effects are on the guitar. Yeah. Since I don't know how well this is coming across on my microphone, we're gonna go ahead and plug direct to an audio interface. In person, it sounds pretty cool. Traditional guitar cable. This is the guitar going straight to an interface and straight into a DAW, recording it direct. That's the overdrive. This is the high gain, the purple. You're probably wondering, okay, how do I adjust the onboard effects? Well, I'll show you. Let me screen share my phone over here. You download the Enya Music guitar and ukulele app. You run the app. It'll probably ask you to set up a login with Enya Music, like a name and password. This is an electric guitar, so you press E-guitar. And this is Enya's Inspire series. We have XMARI. So you click there, and there's our guitar connecting, and here we go. I gotta flip the screen sideways now. There is the 4 presets on the guitar. Your green, blue, lighter blue like teal, and then the purple. When you press green, it goes to clean, and it goes to green on the guitar. I'm gonna press edit, brings up the amplifier, deluxe clean. There's a timeline for like the signal chain on the bottom here. There's an EQ, chorus. You swipe down on the effect and it turns it on. What's this next one? Noise reduction? We don't need that. Here's delay. Let's swipe down and turn that on. Bring the time up. Level. Reverb. We could save this if we wanted, make our own preset. Let's go to our high gain. We're on high gain, hit edit, and this is a 100 DST amp. This amp may look familiar, you know, if you play heavy metal. Turn the gain up. EQ. Oh yeah, man. Turn the delay on. Let's try the modulation. The noise reduction. Yeah, the threshold was too strong on the noise reduction. The noise gate was choking it out. Hell yeah, boy. let's disable the onboard DSP and plug this thing in like a traditional guitar. That's some of the tones of the guitar. Check this out. There's the tuners. I'm not sure if this is synthetic bone or what. See this beautiful rich light? Kind of looks like an ebony, but it's composite. This is a 12-inch fingerboard radius, nickel silver frets. The scale of the guitar is 25.5 inches. There's a close-up of the 2-point tremolo. I was going to show you guys how this thing works too. I keep my bars back like this, but you can adjust the tremolo claw. You can also adjust the truss rod with the same tool. This is a composite body or carbon fiber. I'm not sure what's the proper term to use, but it is a lightweight composite. Makes the guitar pretty loud acoustically. In case you don't stick around, I will have links to this guitar below where you can purchase it for a discount. But let's fly through this unboxing footage real fast. I do this just to show you guys how you'll receive it and what you'll see when you open it up. There's a gig bag. This particular one comes with an amplifier. I don't know if all of them come with the amplifier, so you might want to make sure it specifies that in the listing. What is this? We'll check this stuff out in a minute. Here's the fret wire protector. Here's a scan over the top. Looks like we got a 5-way switch, 2 tones, master volume, and I'm sure this is multifunction where you'll push it in, humbucker, single, single. Looks like a nice gray pearloid pickguard there. Here's the back of the guitar. I forget what you call this kind of neck plate, but it gives you more room for the higher frets. This is probably a neck tilt adjustment, so you can loosen these screws up a little bit, and this is probably a sit screw that changes the angle of the neck. Now, this side stuff was super boring last video, so I'm not going to say anything and just quickly fly over it. There you go. Thank you for checking this video out. Comment below if you have any questions. My links will save you some cash if you use them. It'll be either links or a code. Yeah, I'm out of here. Have a good day.